young adventurers, so happy you're here again. I've got a brand new story to share with you. Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, there lived an adorable puppy named Max. Max was a playful and curious little fellow, always finding new nooks and crannies to explore. His owner, Lily, loved him dearly and took great care of him. One sunny morning, while Lily was tending to her garden, Max saw a butterfly fluttering by and couldn't resist chasing after it. The butterfly led him on a merry chase through the neighborhood, and Max soon found himself far from home, surrounded by unfamiliar sights and sounds. As the sun began to set, Max realized that he was lost. Panic started to set in, and he whimpered, feeling scared and lonely. But deep down, he knew he had to find his way back to Lily and the warm comfort of his home. Just as he was about to give up, he heard a friendly voice calling out, "Hello there, little one. Are you lost?" Max turned around and saw a wise old owl perched on a branch. Max nodded sadly, and the owl smiled reassuringly. "Don't worry, young pup," said the owl. "I can help you find your way home, but first you must remember where you live and the landmarks around your house." Max thought hard and remembered the tall red chimney next door and the big oak tree in front of his house. Excitedly, he shared the details with the owl, who nodded approvingly. "Good job, Max," said the owl. "Now, we must follow the North Star, and it will lead us back to your home." And so, Max and the wise old owl set off on a magical journey under the night sky. The North Star twinkled brightly above, guiding them through the darkness. Along the way, they encountered friendly animals who offered their help and even shared delightful stories. As they walked, Max realized that he had made new friends and learned important lessons about bravery, kindness, and never giving up. Finally, after what felt like a grand adventure, they reached Max's neighborhood. He could see the familiar red chimney and the big oak tree. Max's tail wagged with joy, and he thanked the wise old owl for his guidance. Winding through the front yard, Max reached the doorstep of his home. Lily was waiting anxiously, worried sick about her lost puppy. But as soon as she saw Max, her face lit up with happiness, and she scooped him up into a warm embrace. "Welcome back, Max. I missed you so much," Lily exclaimed. From that day on, Max never wandered too far from home. He knew that home was the most special place in the world, and the love of his family was the greatest treasure he could ever have. And so Max's journey taught him that adventures are fun, but there's no place like home, where love and warmth always await.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this fantastic adventure. Don't miss out on more exciting and educational videos like these. Hit that like button, watch, and be sure to subscribe our channel for a world of captivating stories, rhymes, fun facts, and creative learning. Join our growing community and let the exploration continue.